Hey guys, Enready here. I picked up this DVD a few days ago, The Hitcher. It's a snapper case, but didn't pay much for it. But as you can see here, the snapper case is broken. So I was thinking I'd give it a shot and see if I could swap this thing out. So I'm gonna take the DVD out here, and I got a little case base for it here. I got this at the dollar store a long time ago. They used to sell these things, but they don't sell them anymore. These are Cappy jewel case boxes anyways. Like, this one's broken, but I still use it whenever I burn something. I need to keep it from getting scratched up, so I set it in here. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, so bear with me. Let's go to the back. Let's see if I can pop that out there. Pop that out there. There we go. That's what the case looks like with it out. Kind of weird. These things really are kind of flimsy. You can see where the teeth have been busted out on this thing. I get it right there. Sorry, I got this thing going all which way. All right. I was watching my man an 80s slashers video here. I decided to do this. Okay, and here's the good one. Now let's see if I could do this. How's this even going? Okay, so this would, I'm assuming this would come in this way. Oh, losing it here. Yes, I'll sit on my lap. Get that just to fit in. Alright, a second here. Oh, you know what? I didn't slip that up there. So I got that there, and that there. Let's just close it up. Oh, you know what? I left that out. I might have to turn around and unhinge it. I'm sure too. Okay, hang on a second. Let's do this again. That one doesn't want to snap. Did I get it? There we go. We're going to get the DVD back here. There. Voila. Just like new. Almost like new. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Actually, let's open this up again. I want to take a look at this thing. I haven't watched this movie since the 80s. I've seen the remake, but that kind of sucked. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll talk to you later.